Those was too. You want to taste one?
I can't get none of your fries?
Yeah. You didn't get.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. Well, welcome to my channel. My name is Janean.Shaday. If you're already subscribed to me, thank you. Welcome back. And if this is your first time here, please stay a while. And I hope you enjoy at the duration or during the video. If you are enjoying the video, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Yeah, good morning. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. My voice is super raspy because I haven't yet drank any water. I literally was just in the bed for a little bit, rolled out of bed, and now I'm here. Nope, I didn't brush my teeth yet because I don't like to eat breakfast after I brush my teeth. I like to brush my teeth after I eat breakfast so I can get whatever it is in my teeth out of my teeth. But yeah, we're here, and I'm about to make me some coffee. I have to, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and today we're gonna go to Enchanted DC. It's a big light production, and it's like the biggest light production in the world, if I'm not mistaken. And they have food there, ice skating. Also, it's super cold, but nevertheless, it's always a good time. We went last year. I'm gonna see if I can insert a video or a clip somewhere in this video of last year, and it was so fun for me and my family. It was my husband and I and our 2 kids. So this year we're gonna go again, and yeah, it's 9 o'clock and I have to do everything by 12. Me and my husband, we're always late to things, and we're trying to like turn over a new leaf. So I'm giving myself to 9 to at least 11 to make the kids breakfast, and then that's gonna give me a little hour to chill and figure out what I'm wearing. I don't think I'm wearing anything crazy because we're gonna have to like layer it up. And so what's under our coats is not really gonna matter. I'm just gonna be worried about being warm, and I'm gonna get me a nice hat because I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair. But I'm not even gonna worry about my hair because I'm just gonna wear a cute hat, make sure the face card is not declining, and so we can, you know, the vibes can be there. You get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Like I said, so I'm gonna make me some coffee, and then I don't know if I'm gonna combine yesterday's vlog with today because it wasn't really much of nothing going on and my camera died, but I was able to finish putting away the food. So I'm gonna show y'all so far how my refrigerator looks realistically. And it looks like this the only time my refrigerator really gets hectic is week 2. We get paid bi-weekly, and week 2 is when it's like we're just getting whatever we can get out the fridge, because that's when groceries tend to run out. We have a family of 4, 3 boys, 1 girl. I have 2 grown boys, so they eat a lot, and I'm learning that. So groceries are fluctuating and changing. So if I put yesterday's vlog with this vlog, you guys remember that I was telling y'all that I'm a BJ's girly now. I realized that I have to get certain things in bulk because it only makes sense financially that way. So that's what I did yesterday. So our fridge is kind of packed out. The pantry is packed. The freezer literally is packed to the brim. And I'm about to have to be one of those moms that have to have 2 refrigerators. So this is what it looks like realistically, real time. Our refrigerator sometimes is so packed. I usually like to have this section free and this section free for drinks. Like if someone doesn't finish a drink, more than likely this was my husband. This was me. Well, I can't put this up there, but you know, I usually have space for those moments of what happens when you have leftover. And right here is like a miscellaneous portion, and I usually have more fruits. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna save this bin. I don't know where we're gonna put leftovers, but this is what our fridge looks like. Even this is what the door looks like. It's not perfect, it works. I love the organization mechanism, not only because of aesthetic, it's because I know what I need. So if these start to run out, I can replenish from my pantry. If those start to run out, I can replenish. I see visibly what I need, and things aren't just jumbled and, you know, fumbled everywhere. I have my cheeses right here, and I have my meats right here. And actually I have to take out some bacon. So a good friend of ours got some bacon from the butcher's. This bacon is fresh off the pig. Yeah, fresh off the pig. They say it tastes better than the store-bought, so I think I'm gonna make this for my husband because he's been asking about it. And we'll see the difference. And look at my freezer, y'all. I can't even show y'all this like food packed to the brim. I can't because we're not gonna do that. And our pantry, I'm still figuring it out. This is my baking supplies. When I'm in my little moment, I love to bake and I get literally everything. So I have all that baking stuff and I have baking supplies down there. And I have to figure out how I'm gonna organize it. I have to organize my chips. I usually have these containers where I organize my chips. Like, this is not what it's supposed to look like. I just got busy yesterday. This is overflow juices and snacks. And then I had this cool little thing right here from Amazon. It's for my canned goods. I can just, it's like a little, you know, mechanism. You see what you see? Yeah, I got that from Amazon. And then I have overflow paper towels, but I have to figure out where I'm putting those. And I have paper towel over here. It's just, this is a situation I'm still working on. I did a collab with Seeds of Change before. And yeah, I did a collab, so I have leftover Seeds of Change rice. And I just, y'all, I'm trying to get it together. I couldn't finish it yesterday because I had a lot going on and I had gotten tired. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. And I got my laptop here because I'm working on editing a video that I can get up to you guys, a vlog for next week. Yeah, for next week, I'm gonna be pushing content. And so real quick, I do create content on TikTok every so often, and a couple of my videos have done really well, and a couple of brands have reached out to me. And I'm on certain brands, a couple of brands. I'm not gonna drag it and say, oh, I'm on a lot. I'm on a couple of PR lists and a couple of brands, not a couple, some brands are still slowly reaching out to me. So your girl's low-key an influencer / content creator. And I actually got a package from one of the people that reached out to me. And it's not, I'm not gonna lie and make it seem like I'm getting paid for this, because I'm not. This is just a gifted collab. They say, hey, can we send you product? Can we, you know, add you to our PR, send you product, and you just talk about it? So I said, yeah, sure, why not? Don't do what I'm doing. I'm just. Is what they sent me. Earth Champ reached out to me and sent me their organic vegan protein shake mix. And I agree, because why not? One, and two, I am about to start working out heavy again like I used to, and my husband works out. So this is what it looks like. It smells good. It smells like vanilla. It has probiotics, 1 billion CFU of probiotics. Hold on, Mike. Natural vanilla flavored with other natural food flavors. And then 100% satisfaction guaranteed. And let's see, 120 calories per serving and 2 scoops per serving. And as far as protein it's 20 grams of protein, I'm assuming, per 2 scoops. So yeah, I'm gonna see what I can cook up with this, but this is one of the PRs that I received as I continue. Okay, wait. As I continue to get more people reaching out to me, I'll look into getting a PR box. But it's so funny because if you look at my YouTube, I only got 100 and something subscribers. My TikTok, I don't even have that many people following me on TikTok. However, that's like the 3rd or 4th brand that's reached out to me organically, so like an inbound. So yeah, that was, I guess, encouraging. If you want to be a creator or influencer, just post your content. Don't let the goal to become viral. Just post it. If it becomes viral, cool. If if it does numbers, great. Elias, stop. If it does numbers, great. But yeah, I'm about to make me my coffee and then start on their breakfast. But yeah. So, oh yeah, I don't know if I showed y'all before. So I got these coffee organizers. I didn't organize it completely, my coffee drawer. I was supposed to have been doing this like months ago, but whatever, we're not gonna talk about that. I just I had just gotten some coffee from Nespresso. Let me see. And this is what it looks like. It's coming together good. I'm gonna get me some acrylic containers to put my tea in. And I actually love the acrylic containers. Whether it's trending or not, I like them because I get to see what I have. I think I'm just gonna toss this because I don't use it. I kind of don't like this, so I might. So this is just all wasted money right here. Don't pay attention to this, or I might give it away. And this is what I was talking about. Kels. Daily with Kels. This is the one that I usually get. I don't get the immune one, but I'm gonna give that one a try. I'm a tea girl. I have my spurts where, you know, I just want to drink tea, and this is the kind that I drink. And amongst others, I usually do English black tea. I thought this would be that. This is not that. Yeah, so this is what we're here for. I just recently got an espresso order, and this caramel, sweet vanilla, salted, what's this? Frosted caramel nuts. I do not like this one. Seasonal Delight spices. And this is Dolce Double Espresso. There's the Nespresso machine. And yeah. So I just wanted to show y'all that little accomplishment of mine. But I went and got groceries and I forgot creamer. So I'm just gonna have to like, and I had gotten these cute little cups off Amazon. So cute. Okay. So, and they come with a spoon. And I got these little jars of honey. My sister, for her baby shower, they were like a little favor. And honestly, yeah, I need to use it. I always forget because it comes with this little, so. But I have my gold spoon with my mug. And I think I'm just gonna get some I'm gonna just get some regular caramel coffee. I'm gonna make me a, what am I gonna make me? I'm gonna make me a regular coffee. It's not gonna be nothing special. I don't have creamer, so I'm gonna just have to use heavy whipping cream and finesse something. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a, let me see. Vanilla bean in my pumps. I have these pumps that I've yet put this in, but I gotta go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx to re-up on my vanilla syrup. Just pour it in. I put some whole milk in here. I'm just finessing it right now. I don't even know what I'm doing. And I'm frother thing. Tastes like caramel milk. Ooh, that was way too much milk. Wow. That's how I make my coffee. No, that's not how I make my coffee. That's how I make my coffee right now. And we are about to get breakfast going.
What you turn on your camera? What you turn on your camera? Mom, can you hold me?
Hold on, I'm about to come. No. Okay, I am back. Y'all, I got these glasses from Target. But I feel like they are way too big. Let me know what y'all think. I still got the tag, so I could return them. Hold on, Mike. I still got the tag, so I can return them. Hey, you guys, so I'm back, and as you can tell, I'm already dressed. We are on our way to Nationals Park. How come you didn't ask if we wanted anything? How come you didn't ask if I wanted anything?
And me. And Eli.
Huh?
Because I already know what you want.
What do I want?
Look in the bag. You're welcome.
I wanted some boiled eggs. You know that's my on the road trip snack.
Not in this car.
Yes, it is, Josh.
It's not. Wait, you wanted boiled
Anyway,
eggs?
so tell me what y'all
smells
think about these
stinking in
glasses.
here.
I think they feel like
Mommy,
they're big.
if you have boiled eggs, it'll smell stinking and it'll go stinking.
Mike, those eggs you don't smell.
You're right, Micah.
No, he's not right because those eggs you don't smell.
No, it'll go stinking.
Plus, it's hot. This is regular, so I'm not dry.
And next is by go crazy.
Anyway, let me know what y'all think about these shades. I think they're too big. I'm not gonna keep them on for long. I think I'm gonna just take a couple of pictures and I'm gonna take them off. However,
next is Bobby crazy.
because I don't wanna.
The old freezing it here.
I don't want to get the little marks now, and I don't have powder. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just take pictures and I might return them. I don't know. They are slightly big for my face, so. But yeah, this is what
Mom and Dad,
what it's looking like. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. We're on our way. About like an hour out. Probably a little under an hour. But yeah, I'll touch back bases with y'all when we get there. Oh, he's speeding. So yeah.
Alright, we're waiting for you. We about to try to get in line, man.
So we are here, as y'all can tell. I already showed y'all what it look. Well, we're here now, and we are waiting for my sister, my brother, and my mother, father, and grandmother. So we're all here. About to walk down, but let me show y'all the line. It's a line to get in. Yeah. Alright. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we actually get on the inside.
Time to get in, Mom and Dad. Start pulling up.
I don't know. So we're in line.
To your left. So this way. Yeah, right. You know, it's outside. No.
Mike, E. Come on.
So we are here. We stopped at some restaurant to use the restroom and stuff. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm trying to fix my hat, see if my hair looks okay. But yeah, we're here waiting.
Grace the big photo. Stop playing.
Mommy!
Yes, but Josh, where you going?
You want to go shoulder thing?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey! Deuces! Did you say deuces?
Why? Look at the snow. Mom, look at the snow.
That's real ice.
It looks better when you go down there.
Let's do
place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Trouble is Christmas. I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of like...
That's crazy.
Papa!
So we're eating first. We stopped down and I got a Philly cheesesteak.
It fell over on the last
I got me a Philly cheesesteak.
Go ice skating! Right, Mommy?
That good.
Philly cheesesteak, 2 fries and a drink.
No, 1 fry.
He's so good. He's so good. You know that.
Higher or lower? Lower?
Higher.
55.
I'm having this cheese.
Those too.
You want to taste one?
Hey, no!
I can't get none of your fries.
Yeah.
Janine giving the food.
Here, Mommy.
That's my fries, babe.
Janine, you giving the food review?
This is my keep please stamp.
8 out of 10.
Let's try it. Let's ready.
Want some fries?
After much deliberation, thanks, Bob.
Last time we went here.
Yeah,
After much
Mommy.
deliberation.
Here, Mommy, Papa.
No, I knew I was going to go that spot. We went there the first last time.
You didn't like the grilled buns?
You're feeding
And they had
Mommy.
chips.
Teacher, feeding Mommy.
Like with cheese, like coming on cheese. It was like
Open the mouth. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
They didn't give us like
Brett, Mommy, open the mouth.
this right here, though. This is the best thing since even last time. I had Uncle Ben's.
Uncle Ben's chili bar was supposed to be open.
It is.
She ever told me, like, she made it.
You're gonna help us save Christmas?
Sure, yeah.
Let's do it. Why not? You're looking for the animals that stole the magical bells that the reindeer used to fly. Right? So when you find them, you can just scratch off that you found them. When you found all 8, you write 3 wishes on the back. We have a mailbox at the exit that's going straight to Santa. And you know what Santa told me today? He told me he's making all wishes come true. Today is an all wishes come true day.
So we are down at the main part of where you go through the light maze at. And let me show y'all what it looks like.
Where's Carmen?
This is right at the beginning. This is right at the beginning where you're supposed to get like a maze passport or something. So you're supposed to get like a maze passport or something, and then you go through the light maze, and they have different little stations, and you get your passport stamped. So we are about to actually go through the little maze. I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let me see if I can turn y'all around. Say hey to the vlog. Hey, look right here. Look right here.
Oh, hey vlog. Gang, gang.
Yeah, not gang.
You gotta stay right there. Stay, come here. Ready? No, good, thank you. Look, you gotta give me this.
The vlog, babe.
Hey. Yeah, bye-bye. Yeah. Stay close to us. Not fast.
Look at them slow posts back there.
I used to.
Y'all, this is so slippery. It's like I could do it, but then I'm scared to go. I'm scared low-key because I don't want to fall. If I fall, it's going to be a bad day for everybody out here. My poor baby, he just keeps slipping and sliding. Me and babe was able to escape and make it out here by ourselves. It's actually really fun. Woo! Without me about to fall. Okay. All right, there we go. Yeah. This is quite romantic. Don't you think? Ooh. We doing it and we doing it. We doing it and we doing it. All right. We gotta get them kids.
The most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Hey y'all, so we are back home. You're fine. We are back home. As you can tell, I done did my skincare, my body care. The kids are in the bed, and we're just dealing with the aftermath of putting things away and cleaning up. Every time we like go somewhere, not go somewhere, but when we go up to DC or we take a trip somewhere, it's a whole situation because we got 2 small kids, so we got to pack extra this, extra that. This for emergencies, that, snack, you know, all of this stuff that we have. So now we're just trying to clean up everything, put things in their prospective space. But Enchant was successful. It was a success. It was a great time. I got my water behind me because your girl was drinking soda. I don't really drink soda like that. So I'm definitely going to guzzle me a couple of bottles of water between today and tomorrow just to clean my system out. But it was a good time. Don't you think? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
You did?
I'm tired.
I'm tired. My husband is right there. He tired. What was your favorite part? I know what you were gonna say, but what was your favorite part?
I know, it's ice skating.
It was ice skating? Yeah, I have to say that
And
too.
spending the money.
And spending the money was your favorite part?
I love spending money.
We love spending money, right? We got it all. It ain't nothing. Ain't nothing, right? Money go right on. We had a tree outside the house that we could just pick money off of.
Yeah.
However, but the thing is, babe, huh?
The Philly cheesesteak was good too.
Oh, the Philly cheesesteak. So we got a Philly cheesesteak. So last year we went and we kind of went. We was so like we tried to move too quick, and we had gotten like the food that we got was like mediocre. But this time we kind of like really took our not took our time, but we seen this. We ran into this couple and we were chatting it out with them. Babe, I should have got that girl's Instagram. Yeah, I don't tell. For some odd reason, like when I be talking to people, like y'all ever had that, like real quick, y'all ever had that, like, and I think it's females mainly, dudes don't really do it, but y'all ever like clicked with somebody, not even clicked, but had a whole conversation but didn't like exchange information? Like that part just gets awkward. But anyway, we saw this couple. I know, dudes don't do that. Yeah, the girl, I mean, yeah, it would have been. I know. I should have asked for her. I feel bad now, but cause she was from Philly, like she was a vibe. She was alright. But we seen this couple and the dude was busting down. He was running down on his Philly cheesesteak. So we pretty much asked him where he got it from, and it was good. Like it was still hot. They wrapped it up. It was good. I had everything on it. My husband, he didn't get everything on it, but the Philly cheesesteaks were good. We didn't really get much snacks or like knickknacks this time because last time we did that. But we did spend a grip on money itself, but like $100. We didn't spend that much actually. It's kind of like a regular date night if you really want to be technical. However, I'm kind of getting out of that mindset of how much, like always clocking how much we spend on stuff and this and that and the third. Like being smart still, However, but not being like so tight, because nowadays you gotta pay for experiences, and I don't ever want to go somewhere and see other people getting this and that and the third and wanting it, and not that I can't get it, but wanting it and then leaving the event and then saying, dang, I should have did that. Like every moment, like we don't know if we're gonna be here tomorrow, so why not, you know, still do at least something. Not saying that we gotta splurge and get everything we see, but instead of 5 things, let's work on 2. So, but either or, I don't want to ramble. Enchant was a success. It was a great time. If you made it to this part of the video, let me know down below. Drop a heart. Drop a heart. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Babe, am I forgetting anything?
What about today?
Just in general, with my clothes out.
You should ask for the best Christmas songs.
Oh, what's people's favorite Christmas songs?
Yeah, everyone says something.
What's your favorite Christmas song? Matter of fact, if you made it to this part of the video, drop down what's your favorite Christmas song. My favorite Christmas song is Silent Night from The Temptations. No, that's not my favorite Christmas song. I just wanted to do that. Everybody knows that song though. Like if you don't know that song, then like, I don't know. I don't know what's my favorite Christmas song. Oh no, not Santa Baby. What's the other one?
It's cold outside?
Baby, It's Cold Outside. That's my song.
That's not even yours. You don't.
How is that not mine, Josh?
You doing that because I like that.
No, that's my favorite Christmas. That's one of my favorite Christmas songs. I have like 3 favorite Christmas songs. Anyway, what's your favorite Christmas song? My husband is being a hater. It's 11 o'clock right now. Until next time, I'm gonna clean up, get some work. I'm gonna try to hop on the computer for like at least 20 to 30 minutes. Until my husband get out the shower and then we can go to bed together.
So I did this kitchen.
You helping me take some of this stuff? I want you to take the rest of the stuff off. We good.
It's okay. I'm doing that now. I'm taking all this stuff up now.
All right, until next time. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.